In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a call to action section in Softer step by step so you can encourage your visitors to sign up, get in touch, or learn more about what you offer. Softer is a powerful no-code platform that lets you build web apps from Airtable or Google Sheets, and adding a well-placed call to action or CTA is one of the most effective ways to guide your users toward a specific outcome, whether that's starting a free trial, booking a demo, or downloading a resource. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Softer account. Head over to the Softer website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From there, look to the left sidebar and click on Applications. This will bring up a list of all the Softer apps you've created so far. If you're working on a client project or a personal tool, this is where you'll see everything organized. Take a moment to locate the specific application you want to edit. Maybe it's a membership portal, a directory, or a landing page, and click on it to open it up. Now that your application is loaded, you need to get into the page editor. On the left sidebar again, click on Pages. This will show you all the pages that make up your application, like a homepage, an about page, or a dashboard. Find the page where you want the new call to action section to appear. Maybe you want it right after your hero section, or perhaps near the bottom as a final nudge before the footer. Click on the page name to open it in the Softer page editor. This is where you'll do all your visual building. Once the editor is open, scroll through the page until you find the exact spot where you want the CTA to sit. It's important to think about user flow here. You don't want to interrupt important content, but you do want the CTA to be visible when the visitor is ready to take action. When you've found the right location, click the plus button that appears at that spot. This button is your gateway to adding new blocks, and it will open what's called the block library on the right side of your screen. The block library is essentially Softer's toolbox of pre-built components you can drop into your page. In the right sidebar, you'll see several categories. Click on Website to browse the blocks that are designed for building web pages, as opposed to data-driven blocks that pull from your database. Scroll down through the website blocks until you find a category labeled Call to Action. When you see it, click on See All right next to it. This will expand the full collection of CTA layouts Softer offers. You'll see a variety of styles, some with background images, some with simple text and buttons, others with more elaborate designs. Take your time to browse through them. Now choose the CTA layout that best fits your application's look and purpose. If your brand is clean and minimal, a simple CTA with a headline and a button might work best. If you want something more visually engaging, you might pick one with an illustration or a gradient background. Once you've made your choice, click on that CTA block. Softer will automatically insert it into your page right where you clicked the plus button. It's that quick, and you'll see it appear in the editor immediately. After the CTA section is added, it's time to customize it. Click on the CTA block you just inserted, and you'll see a panel open on the right side with all the editable fields. You can change the headline, make it action-oriented, something like "Start your free trial today" or "Get in touch." Below that, you'll find a field for supporting text, where you can add a short sentence that reinforces the value, like "Join thousands of happy users" or "We'll get back to you within 24 hours. Then update the button label. Instead of a generic "click here," use something specific like "Sign up now" or "Book a demo." You'll also need to set the button link. This could be a URL to a sign-up form, a contact page, or even a Softer page within your own app. Don't forget to upload or swap any images if your chosen layout includes them. You can also adjust the background color, text alignment, and padding under the Styling tab to keep everything consistent with your brand. The goal here is to make the CTA feel like a natural part of the page, not an afterthought. Once you've finished customizing, take a moment to review the whole page. Read your headline aloud. Does it clearly tell the visitor what to do? Double check that the button link actually goes to the correct destination. Nothing kills trust faster than a broken link. Then click the preview button in the top right corner of the editor. This will open your application in a new tab, showing you exactly how the CTA section looks and behaves. Resize your browser window to simulate a mobile view as well, because a CTA that works on desktop might get squished or misaligned on a phone. Softer's responsive design usually handles this well, but it's always smart to check. If everything looks good, you can go ahead and publish your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a call to action section in Softer. By placing a clear, action-oriented CTA in the right spot, you're guiding your visitors toward the next step, whether that's joining your community, making a purchase, or starting a conversation. A few final tips to keep in mind. Always use action-driven button text. Keep your headline concise and benefit-focused. And always preview your app after any change to ensure it looks great on all screen sizes. If you found this walkthrough useful, consider saving this video or revisiting it whenever you need to add or tweak a CTA in your own Softer application. Thanks for watching and happy building.